Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdul Hannan and my role ID is 191057. Today I am going to tell you the 7-segment display and tell you the circuit of 7-segment display on Proteus and simulate it. First of all, in order to understand this circuit, we must know the truth table and Boolean expressions of 7-segment display. So I show you the truth table and Boolean expressions of this circuit. This is the truth table of 7-segment display. Inputs are A, B, C and D and outputs are small a, b, c, d, e, f, g. When the inputs are 0, 0, 0, it means that 0. So we got the 0 in 7-segment display. When the inputs are 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1 means we got 1 in 4 bits, and so the 7-segment display 1 and so on. With the help of this truth table, we have to make the Boolean expressions of 7-segment display in order to construct the circuit. So let's see the Boolean expressions of this truth table. These are the Boolean expressions of the 7-segment display. In order to make a circuit on Proteus, we must understand these Boolean expressions. So we will make a circuit on Proteus very easily if we understand these equations. Otherwise, if we do not understand these equations, we are not able to make a circuit on Proteus. It will be difficult for us. So after these equations, we have to make a circuit on Proteus. With the help of those Boolean expressions that I showed you previously, I construct this circuit on Proteus using NAND gate and OR gates. These are the NAND gates and OR gates, and these have a unique output A, B, C, D, E up to G. So now when we run the circuit, we see that when the inputs are 0, 0, 0, we got 0 in 7-segment display. Now when I change the circuit, I gave high input to the input D. This means that 1, and we got 1 on 7-segment display, and so on. When we change the output, we got different outputs on 7-segment display that I show you. You see that when I'm changing the inputs, I got different outputs for every circuit. So by using this circuit, we got a 7-segment display on Proteus, and we'll see how to make a circuit of 7. So in today's video, we will learn the circuit of 7-segment display, and we see the truth table of 7-segment display, and we see how we can make a circuit of 7-segment display on Proteus and how we can run it. So that's enough for today's video. Thank you for watching the video. Khuda Hafiz.